Hey guys, Nick Drosos and welcome to Code Red Defense. Today I got a question is, Nick, how do I pull hair? Guys, I love pulling hair. If you have hair, my hand's grabbing it. Why? Because I know wherever the head goes, the body follows as well, is that grabbing hair gives you a good grip on the head, right? Pat doesn't have much hair. I don't have much hair either. So how do you pull hair? Is there a way to pull somebody's hair? What I like to do when I pull hair is I like to go either top or around the head, right? I'm not going to pull hair this way. I'm going to pull it here to twist and control the head, right? So I'll pull back and I'll pull. So when I grab the hair, if I clinch, let's say we clinch and we're here and I do this, boom, I'll grab it this way. So again, instead of grabbing the back of the neck or going to a neck crank, if I grab his hair, I can crank and twist the neck. Because wherever the head goes, the body follows. Just grip it and twist it. Again, it has to make sense, right? I'm not going to grab the hair and do this. I'm also leaving myself open. And when I grab hair, I like to go around from behind where the person doesn't see it, when he can't stop it. So if I clinch, it's being here and I go boom, bam, then I can headbutt or strike low, but I'll use it to control and crank the neck. It's as simple as that. But guys, if you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. We have a great video on common attacks. We'll put the link in the description box. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.